Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Google Classroom on your ALCATEL 1 2022. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app. Enter Google Classroom. Hit the search button. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. Select Get Started. You can choose the already existing account for this or add another one. I'm gonna use this, the one that already exists. Click on this plus button, join class. Enter the class code right here, and after doing so, click on join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.